Need a Knotroot Rod in LEGO Fortnite? Here's how to get one fast. Step 1. Head into a cave. You'll find Knotroot growing on the walls. It looks like twisty roots. But don't show up empty-handed. You'll need an uncommon forest axe or better to harvest it. Next, head back to your base and place down a lumber mill. You'll need one to craft the rods. Open the mill, toss in your Knotroot, select Knotroot Rod from the crafting menu. It'll only take a few seconds. Just wait for it to process. And boom! You've got Knotroot Rods. Use them to upgrade tools, weapon, and your village gear. Like and follow for more quick LEGO Fortnite tips.